gonna give her a little shot, see what we can come up with. Windy today. Alright, here we are. Let's see if we can get something going on down here. Yeah. Alright. First pipe fish of the day. Nice. Get out of there. Nice. Not bad, not bad. Nice. Alright. Thanks for hanging out, big guy. Alright, he wasn't too bad. Let's see if we can get somebody else out over there. Not bad. First catch of the day. Yeah. Little guy. Oh. Alright. Hey. Right in the roof of the mouth. Nice. Little guy. Little quarter pounder. Nice. Alright. Alright, little dink on there. Wouldn't be our show without a couple dinks once in a while. We will take them. More dinks. Alright. Stop it. Alright. Another little guy. Alright. Thanks for playing. Alright. We're gonna try one more down here. And then we're gonna go find another spot, I think. We kind of slowed down here. So we're gonna go pick it up down the road somewhere. Same river, just down farther. A lot of kayakers and boaters right in this area right now. So
study carefully the reaction of the fish.
Alright, we got a few of them out there today. We're gonna head out and go find something to eat. So as always, thanks for hanging out.